What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change your currency in the Trading 212 app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in, you will be on your home page. So to change your Trading 212 currency, go over to these three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, then select Manage Funds option right here, and here just select the Convert option right here. Now, Trading 212 doesn't really have a set account currency, it just depends on the currency that you transferred over from your bank account to the Trading 212. So I transferred euros, so to change the currency, I will just change my euros to, let's say, USD or Great British Pounds or any other currency that they have available right here. So I will just, let's say, input 100 euros for $100 and just go ahead and click confirm. Now, once you click confirm, the currency will automatically and instantly be converted to the US dollars or the selected bottom currency that you personally have selected. And from there, if you want your account to be in that currency, you will just need to transfer only that currency from your bank account to the Trading 212. So that's guys how you can change your Trading 212 account currency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.